So here I'm just fixing my fence, and because I was being an idiot, and then I broke it. So first thing I'm gonna do here is, this part's a little bit bent, so see if I can just force it on the ground and then try to get this whole area flush with this side. So I don't see any nails sticking up. So I'm gonna try doing that real quick. So it's not exactly where I want it, but see, it's a lot closer than it was before, so I don't know, maybe I could try putting a little bit more pressure on it, and hopefully that'll get it to work. So the next step would be to get this piece that attaches the door to the gate right to the rest of the fence in here again inside, and then I'll be able to put the nails over here and over here, and then that'll be all fixed up. So here we go. We put some nails through the top here, and then same side on the bottom. Now we have the fence part attached to this wood, which attaches to the rest of the fence. And now I can swing it. I can shake it a little bit, and it's not going to fall apart. And yeah, hopefully everything works out. So I made a huge mistake, and I put in the board the wrong way around. So it'd be easier to move the hinges to the other side instead of taking the nails out and flipping the board back. So that's really fun. So I use this cordless drill. Put in some 11/64 drill bit and put in some holes, and about to do the same thing over here, and then put on the other latch, and then should be able to be good to go. Well, so looks like I have a working gate again.